guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hi, I'm Tabishi, your girl next door. Today's video is going to be a very simple yet very effective my daily skincare routine. I have just 3 products in this routine, but this helps me to maintain a very healthy and a very clear skin in super easy steps, and that's why I thought I should come here and share it with you guys. All these 3 products are from the brand called Dot & Key. I'm pretty sure you're quite familiar with this brand. I will give you the details of all of these 3 products, their demonstrations and everything that you need to know in this video. So this is going to be a very inclusive video, so please stay tuned with me till the very end. And also, since I'm going to talk about 3 different products, their demo and their details, it's going to be a little long video, so please do not forget to check the description box for your required timestamps so that you can jump into the part of the video in which you are interested. And now that I have cleared all the doubts and I've given all the required information, let's dive right into the video. So any skincare routine obviously cannot start without cleaning your face. So I obviously clean my face, but I do not stop there. My cleaning step is not only just face wash. Alternatively or twice in a week, I do like to mask my face, and for that I use this mask. I have been using this mask for quite some time now, and this is the Dot & Key Pollution Plus Acne Defense Green Clay Mask. Okay, so first of all, we'll talk about the packaging. This is how the box looks like. It's a green color box, and this is super cute. I really love the color combinations that Dot & Key use, and this little cap over here is like a hat, which is my favorite part of the packaging. The white cap suits so nicely, and of course, you know, the jar is of glass, which you know that I really appreciate. So I really like the whole idea of packaging by Dot & Key. I think it's no surprise. Dot & Key really wins over my heart over their packaging. And they also give you a spatula to scoop out the required product in your hand, which is something really nice, because I think dipping your hand in the tub always is not a really great idea, and if you are getting a spatula like this, it makes the whole process really easy. So now this particular clay mask, like they have a lot of clay masks, right? But this one is for mainly for pollution defense and acne defense. Now I would like to highlight that I am not someone who has really acne problems. I'm a dry skin family, but I do get bumps a lot of times over my forehead. I think I have been mentioning this for a long time over my video, that even though I'm dry skin, I do get bumps over here and pollution damage या फिर skin sun damage. So I think the overall idea of really sucking out the dust from your pores from a clay mask is something that I really appreciate. This particular green mask that you see here, it has matcha tea and it also has neem, which I think is really nice. So what I've really liked about this face mask is the fact that it not only just reduced the number of bumps that I used to get, but now I don't even see that coming back. It's not that it only when I'm applying the face mask it's gone for 2-3 days and it's coming back. That's not happening, and I think that's something that I really like, because solving my skin problems from the root is something that I want. I don't want to be someone who is just applying a product and uska effect बहुत short term ho, because then it's not really solving your problem. It's just pushing it further. Now when you open this jar, you see the product like this, and you can see that I have used it quite a bit, because I've been masking lately twice or sometimes even thrice a week, because a lot of difference and a lot of improvement in my skin, and I think I just want to continue to be using this. The fragrance of this is really nice. It's so calming and soothing, and the best part is that this clay mask, my skin is very dry, and usually masks that are very acne cure centered, you know what I mean, the masks that are supposed to just cure acne ends up really drying up my skin, but this is not doing that. Once I apply it, it gives me a very soothing effect. Like I feel I have applied something really cool, something that's cool and something that's calming my skin. The feel of it is very nice, and also when I remove it, it doesn't make my skin dry, which is cherry on the cake. I love the results, I love the fragrance, I love the packaging, and I love how easy it is to apply, because the texture is something that you can spread very easily. You can scoop out some product like this and you can see that even though this is like a clay mask, it's very easy to mix and blend on your skin. You see, it's so easy to be able to blend this mask on your skin that it just makes the whole process super easy and super doable. I like to leave this mask for 15 to 20 minutes and then I wash it off, and again it's very easy to take off. You don't have to apply a lot of force. It does dry, but it doesn't really cling onto your skin, and it's very easy to remove with water. The second thing that I like to do is to moisturize my skin, and for that I use two products. First is this hyaluronic serum from Dot & Key. Again, the packaging is really cool because it is like a book. You can open this product like this and tada, here is the product. This is very unique in terms of packaging and I really like it. And I really like the whole combination of the colors. And inside this you get the bottle like this. This is a 30 ml bottle. Now this is a hyaluronic concentrate serum, right? And it also has vitamin C. Now hyaluronic acid is something that is very common nowadays in the market, and you would have heard about this, but I'd like to tell you what it really aims at. So the whole idea of using hyaluronic serum is for hydration. The main purpose of using hyaluronic ingredient in your skincare routine is to hydrate your skin. And you know that I'm really dry skin, right? So I always look for products that can really hydrate my skin and still is not heavy, right? Because something that's very thick and creamy is gonna make me sweat, which I don't want. And that's why I was really excited to receive a hyaluronic range from Dot & Key, because it absolutely caters to something that I would love to use, and that's what this has done, right? So this hyaluronic serum, the USP of this product is this is so watery. When you apply it, it's so lightweight, the texture is so beautiful that once you apply it, in a second it's gonna get absorbed to your skin and it leaves the impact throughout the day. You will not feel dry whatsoever. You sit in AC, you go out in sun, you're not gonna sweat because you have applied something thick. You're sitting in the AC and still my skin doesn't feel dry once I've applied this serum. And if my skin is not feeling dry, you can imagine, you can trust me on this, that you are not going to feel dry either, because my skin is super dry. Now when you open this pump, you can obviously smell the product, and oh my god, the fragrance of all these three products are so beautiful. They're so calming. It feels like I'm in a spa and I'm applying something really beautiful on my skin. I love their fragrances, and the texture of this product, if you take it out, it's very transparent. Let me show you. This is very translucent. And if you see right over here, it's so watery, and once you mix it, it just feels like you have applied, like you have dipped yourself in a bucket of water and your skin is just highly hydrated, which I love about this product. You should definitely give it a try. It's a boon. This serum concentrate, you know, this is so good in itself that even if you don't top it up with a moisturizer, right, it's gonna keep your skin hydrated. I don't do that stunt because I'm from dry skin family, but if you are someone who's not that dry, maybe you can try just applying this concentrate and I think you will be good to go. And now let's talk about the third and the final step of this skincare routine, and that is their 72-hour probiotics daily moisturizer. And this is how the product looks like. Again, the color combination is blue and white. Dot & Key packaging is so cute. It looks so good on your dressing table. I really like that. This moisturizer has fermented rice water, and this is also hyaluronic induced formula, so you can guess that this is a jar of moisturization, and that is why they have claimed that this is 72-hour hydrating gel. I don't know, I mean, I have obviously not left my skin for 72 hours without applying anything, but it does keep my skin hydrated for the entire day. and the consistency of this product is like a gel. Like let me show you. So this is how the product looks like. It is like a gel, right? So if I apply this on my skin and try to blend this all together, it looks so nice. You can see the glow, right? My skin starts glowing immediately, and the smell is very similar to the serum concentrate. The best thing is that this is so lightweight and it is like a gel, so it's so perfect for summers, because in summers you don't feel like applying thick moisturizers because you start sweating and you don't want that. And sometimes because of that, people tend to skip moisturizer, which I don't really recommend for anyone. Even if you are oily skin, I would always say that go for a light moisturizer, and this is something that you can totally vouch for. Trust me, even though this is aiming at moisturization only, even then all skin types can really use this, because this one is not heavy on your skin. It just does the right amount of moisturization. तो मुझे ये बहुत पसंद आया है, ये मॉइस्चराइज़र, ये सेरम, ये मास्क. इट हैज़ सॉल्व ऑल माई प्रॉब्लम्स, क्योंकि मेरे स्किन केयर के क्या प्रॉब्लम्स थे. आई यूज टू गेट बम्प्स ओवर हियर एंड माई स्किन इज रियली ड्राई. सो दिस वॉज माई कंसर्न, and after I've started using these 3 products as my daily skincare routine, I have not been facing any skincare issue. Touch wood. I mean, see, I don't say that you will never face a skincare issue, obviously, because it depends, right? It can happen to anyone any day. But if you want to put some effort and you don't know like what to do, these 3 products have really sorted out my problem, because there's so many things out in the market that I don't know which one to pick when and which is going to show me the results. These 3 have shown me the results, and I have not been really facing any, I mean, I don't have anything negative to say, because ऐसा कुछ मुझे like fragrance is really nice. These are kind of affordable. I won't say it's really cheap, but it is under affordable range. The packaging is really nice. It's all in the glass jars, and the results are amazing. So please do make sure that you do check these products out. And I think now they have even launched the smaller version of the moisturizer. So for you, it's really good. But that's a very good idea, because you know, you don't want to spend full money now in a full size jar. First go ahead and purchase the mini version, see the results for yourself, and then decide. Last and not the least, I would like to thank Dot & Key for sending out these products to me. It really made my skincare routine super easy. I am going to leave all the details of the links and every other thing that is required and are related to these products in the description box below, so please do not forget to check that out. And now that's it for this video. I hope you like this one, and I hope you're subscribed to my channel. If you are not, then please, I request that you take a second and do subscribe to my channel. It's right over there. It charges you nothing, and it's gonna help me a lot. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you do get notified. And with this, we're gonna end this video. I will be up soon in my next video. Till the time, take care, bye bye, be beautiful, and stay very happy. Bye. Namaste.